One of the comments that I get the most when I'm speaking with other people that want to get started with affiliate marketing is that they want to start affiliate marketing, but they don't want to start with a website. Either they don't have time to write blog posts, they don't want to pay for them, or they just don't see the value in writing blog posts. So in this video, I've actually put together a list of 12 different ways you could start affiliate marketing without a website. Now, most of these are going to be free, but some of them are going to be paid as well. The paid ones are going to be towards the end of the video, but make sure you watch this entire video to learn all of the different ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodboll.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we are going to take a look at all of the different ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website. We're going to take a look at these traffic sources. We're going to look at how many people are visiting these websites, because another question that I get, believe it or not, is will affiliate marketing work here or there or up or down? And the answer is usually yes. If there are millions of people, billions of people in some cases, coming to a site with a problem and you can solve that problem, you can make money with affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one we have on our list is, as you can see on the screen, is Reddit. Now, Reddit is a social media platform. It's basically like a giant forum site that's broken down into many subforums called subreddits. Now, as you can see on the screen here, people are asking all sorts of questions. Now, I do want to let you know that before you just jump right into Reddit, be careful, because a lot of it is not safe for work unless you're looking to make affiliate commissions off of that type of content. But if we take a look at the screen here, you can see relationships is a subreddit where people are asking questions about their relationships. Are there affiliate programs that you could potentially recommend when it comes to relationships? The answer is, of course, yes. Now, when you are getting into these different subreddits, don't just spam your affiliate link. What I recommend that you do is go on, be helpful, solve problems, create content that people will like and will comment and share, build relationships with these people, or else you're going to get kicked out of these different subreddits and potentially banned. Now, just to show you the power of Reddit, is there are over 6 billion, there's over 1.5 billion visits per month. And the average duration, the average time spent on Reddit is almost 10 minutes. So if you look at this, there are tons of people coming to Reddit with problems or with questions, and you can answer those questions, and you can ask and answer questions about everything. And what you can even do too is you can create your own subreddit. Now, if we take a look here, I'm just going to go to my subreddit just to show you. I don't have a ton of people on her 183 members, and basically my content is just automatically posting YouTube videos. As you can see, just 23 hours ago, this was automatically posted, and I somehow have 183 people that are willing to follow me with me just simply posting my videos. I don't add any other additional content, but you can see here that this is an opportunity as well. So Reddit is just one. This guy appears to be a spammer. And we'll get that cleaned up. But that is the first one. The second one, believe it or not, is actually with LinkedIn. Now, again, LinkedIn is a social media platform. People assume that LinkedIn is all about finding a job, finding a career. But in reality, millions of people, billions of people are coming here with different problems. Sometimes their problem is they want to lose weight. Sometimes they want to make money. Maybe they don't have the skills needed. They may want to take a course to improve their skills. For example, if we come up here, we could look for like an IT professionals group, or let's do a JavaScript group. JavaScript is a programming platform. So we can look at JavaScript in groups, and you can see there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that are interested in learning more about JavaScript. Now, how could we convert this into money? We could potentially promote different courses over on Udemy or some of the other platforms out there, and we could make money by recommending different courses. One thing that we could do, and I know this works, is we could do like React, React.js. This is a programming language that I actually used when I was a software developer and I struggled. So I actually went and purchased different courses over on Udemy. But you can see, once again, hundreds of thousands of people are looking for help and want to discuss React. You can get a portion of these people to purchase a course or a book or whatever it may be. Now, if we take a look at this, there are 1.4 billion people on LinkedIn They're on here close to 8 minutes. Once again, as you can see, lots of people from around the world are coming to LinkedIn because they have a problem and they're looking for the solution. Now think about that. And I say this all the time. You want to create solutions for problems. People come to LinkedIn and are only on LinkedIn for the most part when they have a problem. Maybe they want to, again, they want to get a better job. They want to network, and you can help them with that. So after LinkedIn, we have Instagram. Now, I'm personally not a huge fan of Instagram. I don't do a lot of posting on here. I actually will just repost my TikTok, but there are billions of people that use Instagram every single month, and they're using it for every single niche. They're using it to lose weight. They're using it to make money or build a brand. And these are all different things that you can help them with. If there are fitness coaches out there that are just relying on Instagram to build a following, you could potentially promote something like ClickFunnels to help them build a sales funnel to get more leads and make even more money. And so you can see 6 billion monthly visits. People are on Instagram almost 8 minutes during a visit at a time, and there are millions, if not billions, of people. You can see it's all over the world that people are jumping on LinkedIn. So of course, that is an opportunity to make money, and all of this does not have to cost you a dime. You can all do this for free, and it doesn't require a website. After Instagram, we have YouTube. You are here on YouTube. You know how powerful YouTube can be. People are coming to YouTube for business, for work, for entertainment, and you simply can create content within any niche and potentially make money. For example, I recently just started watching these videos about city skylines. I wanted to get into playing that game, and there are all sorts of things that you could potentially recommend within this niche. You could recommend microphones, gaming chairs, gaming headsets, actually gaming computers or laptops so that they can take the games on the go. But there are tons of opportunities just within any niche. And I want to emphasize and stress this enough. Any niche can work on YouTube. If people are creating content, if people are searching for that content, you can see there is tons of opportunity. It doesn't just have to be make money online or health, wealth, relationships, or technology. Literally be anything. If we take a look, you can see that people are coming to YouTube multiple times per month. 32.1 billion total visits, and people spend almost 22 minutes on YouTube. So that's a ton of time, ton of opportunity if you can just create content and get better over the time. One of the biggest frustrations with new affiliate marketers is they feel like they can't compete because they have no following. Everybody starts off at zero, and if you can learn how to get better over time, learn subtle 1% increment improvements, you will be you'll be doing very well on YouTube within no time. After YouTube, we have TikTok. Of course, as you can see, this is my TikTok profile. Just yesterday, or a day before yesterday at this point, I showed you how to get 1 million views. This video right here, how to get 1 million views on TikTok. It can be a great place, a great way to make money with affiliate marketing. And there are thousands of niches that you could get into. Everything from woodworking to best microphones, headsets, Amazon. You can recommend courses, you can recommend products, services. Literally everything works with TikTok if you can talk to your target audience or your target market. If we take a look at SimilarWeb, once again, 1.5 billion monthly visits, and people are spending about 4 minutes at a time over on TikTok. So you can see people are spending time. That is an opportunity. After TikTok, we have multiple ways to make money with Facebook. Now, as you'll see here, with Facebook, you can do Facebook groups, which I highly recommend. I like Facebook groups because it is free and you can get started right away. You can have multiple groups. You can have a bunch of groups out there. You can also do Facebook Reels. Now, I really like Facebook Reels because it is Facebook's answer to TikTok. Right now, there isn't a ton of content on Facebook Reels, so they're grabbing content from Instagram Reels and they're putting it on Facebook Reels. Now that might sound confusing, but just know that if you're looking for an opportunity to get started and it's not as competitive as other markets, definitely jump on Facebook Reels and start creating maybe 3 or 4 Facebook Reels every single day. If you don't know what to create content on, hop over to answerthepublic.com and type in your niche, and people are going to be asking questions and you're going to create content based on those questions. So jump on Facebook and you will see an opportunity. Now you can also do Facebook paid advertising. That's an opportunity as well. You can also start a blog over on Facebook. Facebook pages rank also. So there's a bunch of opportunities if you feel comfortable or the most comfortable on Facebook. So I recommend that. After Facebook, we have Pinterest. Now, I really like Pinterest because you can actually rank your Pinterest pins on Google. And people on Pinterest are more willing and able to spend money. They want to spend money on a solution, and literally anything is a solution. So if we click blogging here, you're going to see a bunch of Pinterest pins dedicated to blogging. Now, one of the things that I really like about Pinterest is you can run paid ads on Pinterest, and most people don't necessarily know that they're paid ads. For example, there's at least 2 paid ads. There's 3 paid ads on the screen, and you don't know that they're paid ads until you see this promoted by. And so you can run free Pinterest pins. You can create them for free over on Canva, or you can run paid ads and go directly to a website. Now, if you're running paid ads on Pinterest, do not send them directly to an affiliate link or an affiliate page. Most likely that ad will get rejected. What I recommend that you do is run a paid ad to a blog post or a sales funnel, and then you can collect their emails and then market to them that way. But if we look at Pinterest, you'll see that there are 885 million total visits, and people spend just over 5 minutes anytime they visit. So that's a good amount of time, and they're just looking for a solution. One of the differences between Pinterest and maybe Facebook is Pinterest users are coming to the platform looking for a solution, whereas Facebook users, for the most part, are looking for entertainment. They're just kind of mindlessly scrolling. But I really like Pinterest and Facebook as well. After Pinterest, we actually have, you can buy ads right on someone's blog or website. As you can see, this is my website, alstongodbolt.com, and I've got ads on here from Google AdSense. But you can reach out to different bloggers and say, hey, I want to place an ad right here where you see on your website that's related to whatever their niche is. So let's say you are in the woodworking niche, you find a woodworking website that's getting 100,000 visitors per month, and you say, hey, look, I'll pay you $30 a month if I can place my ad here right on the main page. That ad could actually go directly to an affiliate link, or it can go to a landing page, or you can give them a free ebook. But you place that ad here, people are going to see it, they're going to click on it, and it can take them over to the product that you're recommending. But this can work out really well because you're skipping the middleman, you're paying the blog or blogger directly, and you can actually make money. So that's another cool way. And the final way that you can make money, again, this is going to be a paid way, is actually using solo ads. Now, the largest solo ad retailer out there, or vendor out there, is called Udemy. And basically you come here, once you sign up, you can find different email lists to rent or buy for a temporary amount of time. So what you want to do is when you rent this list, you'll actually have an email crafted, and you're going to offer something for free. You're going to build your email list. Now, these leads, in my experience, don't convert as high as the other ones that I've mentioned, but this can work for you as well. It doesn't require you to have a website. This is probably, I would say, the fastest way to start seeing some results when it comes to your affiliate marketing business. So once again, we've got Reddit, we've got LinkedIn, we have Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, 4 or 5 different ways within Facebook and Facebook groups, Pinterest, actually working with different bloggers directly, as well as Udemy. Now that you know all of the different ways that you can start affiliate marketing without a website, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.